Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to show you a really unique way that you can bring greenery into any office space by using this Wallowa metallic planter. Now this is heavy. It's 40 pounds because it's real metal and it has hand brushed gold edges. It's 38 inches long by 15 inches wide, so it is a statement piece that can be used indoors as well as outdoors. It is weather resistant and it has drainage holes, but we needed a privacy screen for our desk, and this was a perfect solution. It brought in so much life into this space while still giving us that privacy we needed. And no, I did not fill these completely with rocks. I put mesh over the pot and a thin layer of lava rocks. This way it is easy to pull the plants out for maintenance later on. You are going to be in love with this planter. It is an eye catcher and everything really pops in it. But that's just my point of view.